I just want to drink me bourbon. Skiddly just thinks he can take checkpoint 1 like that. Whoa, it's Tyler Mayhem. That fucking drop though. Oh. Now I'm a whole second behind, more than a second. Really hard to do that line without releasing. Joining straight after. Run, Panda Gecko, we got a fucking weave in here. Yeah, 100%. There's some really fun jank maps. Trying to find how to do it quickly. Elip's getting the exclusive mapping deals these days, huh? Some blocks that got changed. I downloaded all these items so I could make a fucking map again, and meh. Still haven't got into it. The track of the day was done. It's hard. Oh, Tyler just said hey to me. Blessed. Blessed and thankful. Know that maps, it's never good. Usually it's just some randoms with their shit maps, or it's somebody trolling me, or it's somebody trying to show off a world record. Like, I got this time on this map. You should play it. We're enjoying them. I guess it's overall pretty fast when you're driving straight, which is pretty whack. But I don't have to worry about it too much. I do dislike the additions of the new cars, just because it means we're going to get less classic ice track of the days. But good people. Sometimes like a fucking hour or two to some random shit that I find fun for no reason. Like there's a Beyond map that you and Tyler have a time on that I kind of want to go back and play. It's curvy as fuck with some really weird bits. Like transitional but completely unhinged block placements. Oh, and I got the Gorilla Grip. Go, Kuja, go. It's a bit wide. That had potential. The car, but worse. I saw it was going really... That's not good. That was a 1.6 seconds to gain on that run. Don't feel like it after work. First desert track of the day, enjoyer. That is much too close. Unlucky. Oh boy, I only have to go a second faster to catch my PB. The desert car? None. No, I have not. I saw a Zero guy playing it earlier. Looked like shit. Didn't look too bad, but didn't look like my style. Coming up on my wheels and shit, fucking whack. Whack. Tyler spotted on ice. I'm gonna need more ice. But I'm also gonna need more bourbon. Ow! Oh! Hey man! Heard there's some changes with the mapping things. Better. Pretty close to PB. Yeah, I guess I'm weird though, like with some shit. Some maps that you'd think I'd never play. Hey, 9 to 5 guy. The new dings. Good for Trackmania, I guess. Some new scenery blocks. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta get into the mapping things. I need to fix 2 of my maps and get started on a new one. I'm just so lazy. I'm just too inside. This bit from my fingertip. It wasn't really bad, but now every time I get anything in it, it stings like a motherfucker. That's not good. That's how you slide out. My arm, what is fucking wrong with it? It's been sore for weeks. Man, what did I do to it? Oh! I also like fucking really hurt my finger today. Ripped the finger. More swing. That doesn't seem good. Rally. Dance? What the hell? I'm not that much of a gamer. Wait, Tal hadn't even joined yet. Whoa, shortcut! This is a hard map to get that time on. Oh shit. Oh, we got a first time Indiana weeb. Like, you think you're allowed to be proud of yourself? Did I say you could be proud of yourself? It went wide after the gorilla grip. A good run. It's a shame. Fast. Oh, and the revival. They're a first timer and a revival and a weeb. Fuck yeah. Skidley says, welcome first timer. Doing a better job than me at welcoming people. Oh wait, we got a fucking person. That's crazy. What's new? What's fucking new? Bro, this map's so hard. I don't understand how I'm 1.1 behind. I really don't. I do not get it. These dudes be fun. This guy's playing advanced. Hey, go on the keyboard key. There we go. Can't afford to have more keys break. To buy new keyboards here. Nice. I remember Halloween. Pretty happy with this PB though. Oh my god. Between the toothbrush and the keto, that's a good place to be. Classic. Honestly, you're gonna play better maps if you do that. If I ever say like fucking playing map requests, I'm fully expecting some fucking shit. Viewer maps, man. Oh. Unless it's someone I actually spend some time on. Never extended. The Gorilla Grip here is so hard. You gotta like counter steer, left tap, counter steer. Oh no, turn in left, counter steer, left tap, counter steer. So fast. Japan. Bit wide. Bit of snow. Bit of rock. Oh, almost. When is Tyler not playing a viewer map? His life is fucking viewer maps. Nail a little bit from the